Yes. So tell me something about you. You are from where?
Okay. So as you know, I'm Shikha Singh from UP, and I have completed my graduation added. So that's why right now I'm working as a primary teacher. That's all in a brief. And could you tell me about yourself in a brief?
Yes, myself Vipin Kumar Asnawar, and I'm also from UP and district Saharanpur. I'm also preparing for the uh, teacher to be a teacher, and except it at present I'm teaching in a Kaliram Degree College, Nagal.
Wow, you
English
already.
subject, English literature. Yes, and I have completed my PG in English.
Okay, you have completed your PG. So which type of examination are you preparing right now? Could you tell me?
I'm I'm preparing for the TGT, PGT, and all kind of exams which are belong to be a teacher.
Yeah. Okay, so did you take part in the last TGT exam?
Yes, I took part. I have taken the paper.
So how was examination?
Yeah, it was fine. I think that paper was easy. I think that and it was nice. I attempted many of the questions. I hope that result will be positive.
Yeah,
What
sure,
about
sure.
you? I hope that you must have taken that exam.
No, I didn't. Actually, for TGT, you also must have a B.Ed degree. So I did BTC, that is a elementary exam, elementary diploma. So right now I'm pursuing B.Ed from distance education from IGNU. I think you must have heard the name. And whenever I'll complete this, then I'll try for the TGT also.
Yes, I think that you should. So tell me more about your channel. That how you are started that channel. Actually, I want to know that how to earn the money through the online platform. That's why I want to know something about it, because I am working at this time in the degree college, and the schedule is, I don't like the schedule. I'm to follow. That's why
I understand.
I want to
And
be a online teacher or tutor.
okay. You know, if you want to earn money, so you have to give more time. Actually, you have, because everything
I am
takes
free for.
time.
I'm free for this.
Yeah. So that is the point of, and I'm not making any money. So I'm just recommending you, sir, that you should give the more time. You should start whatever you want to do. Okay, and just give your 100%. And if you someone gives their 100% in something, so definitely the result will come very
Yes,
soon.
yes, we get success when we give the 100% to anything.
Yeah, yeah.
So, uh, so what should I do to start it?
Yeah.
I should create my own channel, YouTube channel,
Yeah.
and what the things I require, what the equipments.
I mean, there is many more things. Not only YouTube. I think online money marketing and online some different jobs also available there. So if you want it and if you are interested, then you can join it as well. And rather
So,
than
no,
if you want it, yeah.
so do you know some such kind of any platform by which I can do so?
Okay. Because in digital marketing, I think it is very easy. You can search it. If you are on Insta, so on Insta there is many more people who is into in this job like digital marketing, network marketing. They always try to connect with you. They always try to talk with you because they also want to grow their whatever they are doing job. So as in this way, I have met many more, and they were on Insta. So I met, but I was not interested, so I didn't take part. But if
So,
you are interested,
so at,
yeah.
so at present you're running your own channel, so you don't get any kind of income from that.
No. I recently started. It takes time. It really takes time because once I watched a interview a good YouTuber. I didn't remember the name. So he was saying, whenever he started his channel, so that time he just dropped out there, his every work, means like his job. He just left his job, and around 6 months he was into his home, and he did everything what were required for her, his channel. And that's why after 6 months he established his own channel, and after that he started a good, and nowadays he had, I think, 22 million subscribers. So like this, if you are a good YouTuber, you have huge subscriber, then you can get. And otherwise, I'm not demotivating anyone. We always start from a little things. Every little things can be grow in a more. So it is also work.
Because sometime I think that I'm speaking English, you are speaking English, everybody is speaking English nowadays. So that's why I think that this is common to create a YouTube channel. So sometime I think that it will work or not. I have doubt. Sometime I have doubt in my mind that it will work or not. That's why I am asking just that it will be beneficial for us, for me or not. Could I get some money, make some money from that or not?
For this, I would request you just do whatever you are interested. This whatever you want to do. Don't do anything forcefully, because I started, I recently started this. It has been a 3 month, I think, last 3 months. And I recently started. I started only because of myself. I started for my group, and for my improvement, and also I'm passionate about speaking English, and I like to talk with stranger in English. So that's why I had no environment, I had no any circumstances to talk someone else. So I need, and that's why I started.
Hello. I've lost your connection. Hello.
Yeah, wait. Yeah,
So
can you
basically
hear
you
me?
from where? Yes, now I can hear you. Basically you from where?
From
In
where?
UP, yes, you are from where? In which district you belong to?
Yeah, I belong to Raebareli district in UP. Okay.
So how long have you been working as a government employee in primary sector?
Yeah, very soon it will be 3 year, and this is my third year is running. So it has been a 3 year experience.
Okay. So you may ask anything because today first time I am speaking with a girl online. That's why I have some kind of hesitation. Yes.
No issue. Yeah. You also a good teacher. You are teaching up to the inter level. You have a good skill. You have a good knowledge. So don't worry about this. And if you want to earn from, I think, online, so you just check out everything from here and there. Because
So
I start, yeah.
you find the people to talk with. You find you find them from where? From which platform, like Skype or other platform, or people contact you to speak with them?
Mostly Skype, because I prefer Skype nowadays. It is quite safe for me, and also it's good platform, no issue. And also, if you have a good group, any group on WhatsApp and on Telegram, so you also can find over there, and and it's if you have a channel, then you can suggest them. Please check it out and connect with me.
Because I'm not more comfortable with the technology. I don't know how to use. I have been using this Skype. Uh, in fact, last 3 or 4 days. But I think that this is really fantastic and very good, knowledgeable.
Knowledgeable, yeah, sure. This is good. I think if you are somewhere for learning, then it's enough for you. No need to just think. Overthinking it is not good. I think don't think over. Just started learn whatever you want to learn. Okay, this app I have been using from the last 3 months, and it is good for me.
Yes. So except running your YouTube channel, your work, what you spend, how you spend your
Yeah,
time, and what are your hobbies?
sure. So my hobbies are, reading as well as dancing and listening to music somewhere. So I spend my time, my leisure time with reading, most of the time reading. I read some books, novels online, mostly online, because
What kind?
yeah.
Recently, which book you have read?
Yeah, sorry.
Recently, which book you have read?
Okay, so recently, yeah, I just not ended it, but yeah, I'm reading on the last part of the book, that is, the Atomic Habit. The Atomic Habit. That's a good
So
book.
this book is, what about this book?
Are
What is
you
the
you,
subject
you
of
know
this book?
about habit, about your habit, to develop a good habit. So for this, the Atomic Habit, the name of this book, also you can search it, and you can also
Atomic
find on
Habit.
the
Atomic Habit. Yeah,
yeah.
that title is seems like a science fiction. That's why I
Yes.
asked the question. So, uh, tell something more about the primary education sector.
Okay. So primary education system, I think whatever running in your side, that's as the same in my side, because this is UP. So not much more difference. But yeah, something that I would like to mention, because nowadays this is more better and much better than earlier. That I really, to be honest, I'm not you know saying anything fake. It is much better than earlier,
Yes,
because now
yes,
government
you are right. But I have heard that the students, most of the students belong to the village because it belongs to the village. The colleges are belongs to the village, so you are to deal with the students related to the villages. And often I found that people don't like to send their kids to to the school. So how you deal this problem?
yes, we are dealing, it happened because they they are, I think, whatever their mentality, sometimes they are thinking that I had some work, and so that's why I don't send my kids at school. But nowadays things are changing little bit, and we are just taking in every month some PTA meeting, and by PTA meeting, we just suggest them that please send them at school, and this is more better, and whatever you want to you know doing by them, so you can just take the rest of the time, but don't the school time. Nowadays
Hello.
interesting activities in school, and there is a good quality of equipment for sports. So students, they are interested, and they also don't want to break their consistency. They want to come every day. So first we have to make interest a student, and whenever a
We have to
student,
create the interest. We have to create the interest of the student in study.